Introducing Duhat, Syzygium comini of the family Myrtaceae. Duhat is a small to medium sized 3 to 12 meters tall. Leaves are opposite, leathery, shiny, oval to elliptic, acuminate to 12 centimeters long with numerous parallel nerves. The fruit of duhat is rich in antioxidants including anthocyanins, flavonoids, and polyphenols. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and protect the body against oxidative stress, which is linked to various chronic diseases and the aging process. Duhat fruit is believed to have digestive benefits. It is commonly used to promote healthy digestion, alleviate digestive discomfort, and relieve diarrhea. The fruit is also considered a natural remedy for treating certain gastrointestinal disorders.